Hey everybody, you are on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to activate Tesco gift card. Let's go. Open Tesco gift card website. Balance. Enter card number and PIN number. Press check balance. After that, you will see the balance of your gift card and the Add to Wallet button. The card can be used 2 hours after purchase. That's it. Now you know how to activate Tesco gift card. If I've helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.